Vehicle Customization Overview. Your Lexus has a number of useful features that can be easily customized. To begin, press the menu button on the remote touchpad. On the display, select Setup. Select Vehicle. From here, you can adjust your maintenance schedule, access vehicle customization, set LEXUS Park Assist sensitivity, adjust drive mode customization, and set Valet mode. Selecting Vehicle Customization gives you access to door lock settings, climate settings, lights settings, convenience services, and other vehicle settings that vary by model. Selecting light settings, for example, allows you to adjust headlamps auto-on sensitivity and auto-off timer, daytime running lights on or off, and adjust interior and exterior lights auto-off timers. Select the feature and make your adjustment. Then, click it again to close. The system will save your settings. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.